Okay, so I accidentally stopped the last video, so I had to start a new one. So sorry about that. But just remember, here's your answers to 3, 4, and 5, that if the line is, well, it's not a line if it's curved at all, but if your relation is curved at all, it is not linear. Or if your function is curved at all, it is not linear. If your table does not have a constant rate of change, it is nonlinear. If your equation is not in y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, it is nonlinear. So for example, my x cannot have this exponent up here. That tells me right off it's nonlinear. Or over here, this x here, it shouldn't, if it was linear, it would not be in the denominator. So that is also nonlinear. Then looking at the bottom, I filled some of these out for you, but I do want to go through number 7. So it says label each of the functions below as linear or nonlinear. So as you look through these, just notice, is there an exponent? Because if so, that's a problem. Is my x in the denominator? If so, that's a problem. Is it in slope-intercept form or is it not? So this first one, we have this exponent. So that's a problem. It's going to be nonlinear. That one's going to look like that parabola near that U-shaped curve, same as on the front. Part B will be linear. This is in our y equals mx plus b. Our slope would just be -1. Y-intercept would be -1 also. And then C, we have 10 divided by x. So this is going to be nonlinear because my x is in the denominator. This is going to look just like number 5 at the top of this page. So now go get the practice worksheet from your sub and try to determine what's a linear relationship and which ones are not linear or nonlinear.